Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work. And this week I'll be using something different. These are freebies from Pretty Little Studios that I got from the Made in Canada winter sale back in February. And I thought I really need to go through my stash and use all of the stickers that I've got before I start buying any more. And I thought this is actually a perfect, cute little kit that I can use in my HOBONICHI weeks. I probably won't even use all these stickers, but I think they're just absolutely beautiful. Well, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, and I wasn't sure how I wanted this to go down, were these date covers. And these aren't made specifically for the HOBONICHI weeks, but I kind of tested it out and I thought I'm gonna give it a try. Let me grab my tweezers here and see. Because I think if I overlap them a little bit, I think they'll actually look really, really cute. Now, you guys know I don't normally put date covers on the weeks here, and I can already tell it's gonna overlap more than I want it to. I probably should have moved the Sunday one down a little bit more, but that's okay. I think it also depends on the length of the word. Like Thursday and Wednesday, it'll go over a bit, but whatever. Yeah, that's okay. Wednesday is definitely going to overlap with Tuesday. Oh, I kind of regret that now. I feel like I should have. Is there a way for me to lift all of these up and move them down a bit? Maybe there is. Hold your breath. Ooh. Oh, I'm holding my breath so much. Ooh. Okay. Now, hopefully these stickers don't stick together. Okay. Whew. Let's move these all down just a little bit. And start from there and work my way down. And it's looking good so far. Better. Ooh, that was close. Okay, then, yeah, I'm still gonna get some overlap here at the top because these stickers were not made for the HOBONICHI weeks, but whatever. And yeah. You know what? That actually looks really cute considering I had a slight panic about them going down properly. So am I in frame? There. Then there's one last one down at the bottom. I'm not going to use that one just yet. I'm going to take, how do I want to place this washi? This washi is actually really, really nice. Do I want to place them down along the side here? Yeah, I think I'm going to place them along this way with this right here, and then maybe green one there. This is a lot of stickers for me to put down in just one spot. Ooh, looks like it wasn't cut all the way through. Here we go. Yeah, that's fine. And then with my, there we go. Yeah, it's my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, just brush letter in notes. Oh, I really like that so far. Then with this bottom one, I think I'm actually going to maybe split them in two. One on this side like this, because he says washi has to go straight across the bottom. With this one here. Yeah. And actually I will need a box for that Saturday night. Oh, I'm really liking that. And then one down in this corner with this last box here. Yeah, I've used a lot of stickers, more stickers than I normally use in a Hobonichi Weeks, but this is actually turning out really, really nice. Oh, come on. Oh, that one is not gonna stick. Let's see if I can peel off that sticker paper. No, that one's not gonna stick. That's okay. And then this last floral. Actually, what I think I'm gonna do, gosh, that one looks like it's coming up as well. Give me one sec. I'm gonna use some of this here. Let's see if that works to make it stick. And then this sticker with this, I'm gonna use up all of these. Which is great because I hate having stickers left over and then there's nothing else to match with it. Oh, I love this. Whoops. Oh, that is so, so pretty. You know what? I don't have a ton of meetings normally on Monday, so I can place this up here. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, I could put reminders down here because it's normally my to-do list. Oh, that's lovely. And I've used all the stickers. I love when I use all the stickers. Okay, it's way more than I normally use, especially all the ones down the side. But like I said, I hate having stickers left over. And these were all very, very functional. So I've just folded that, put that to the side. The pen that I will be using for the week is my Lamy Vista, and it currently has Colorverse Alpha PSC or Alpha Pisces in it. And it's this really, really beautiful green. And I think I'm gonna just make everything green in this spread in terms of writing everything out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in all my meetings and then I'll be right back. So there is my overall finished spread. I really love the colors. It feels very summery, but it could also be very fall inspired as well. It's a very summery spread, I think, with like the green and the desert inspired. But anyway, I love how this turned out. I'm not gonna spend too much time worrying about how it doesn't completely align because you know what? It's only off by a little bit. I love the way that this washi looks, and I'm actually a big fan of how these freebie stickers turned out in a very cohesive spread in my Hobonichi Weeks. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.